everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Siri name. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. You might not like the name Siri and you'd like to use a different one in order to change the assistant's name. But can you really do that? Unfortunately, there's no way you can change Siri's name to something else, but you can change the name that Siri uses in order to address you on your iPhone. In order to do that, tap open your device's settings and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Now tap on My Information and select a name from the list. Once you select the name, you will now be able to change the name that Siri uses in order to address you. That is the only thing you can do regarding changing name on Siri. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.